Hi everyone, it's Rachel, and today I have a ThredUp men's box. So I like getting the men's boxes whenever I can. I don't typically purchase a lot of men's clothing at the thrift stores when I'm actually outsourcing, but I do like the ThredUp men's boxes. ThredUp does not sell men's clothes on their website, so a lot of times, or really any time, they get men's items sent into them. They just put them in these boxes because they don't list the men's clothes. The men's box is not listed as a rescue box, so typically everything that's in here is in good resellable condition. So I'm excited that I got this, and I'm excited to share this with you today. So let's dive in. All right, so I am expecting, this is a mixed size rescue box, mixed men's clothing, and this box was $110. I'll have to double check and I'll put it in the description. I don't remember if it was number of pieces or by pounds. I have a feeling it was by pounds, so I'll give you all the specs and everything in the comments. So let's see what's in here. All right. Hopefully you guys can kind of see what I'm pulling out of here. Okay, let's start here. So this is a blazer. I don't know if you can see. I don't see a brand on here. It feels pretty nice. It says made in Bangladesh. Oh, it's H&M. How exciting. So it's in good condition though. I guess stuff from H&M or the really low end stuff, sometimes I won't list it just because my room is really tiny and I don't have a lot of space to store things that aren't going to sell. But this is in pretty good condition, excellent condition. It feels like linen, so I probably will list this. Let's see what else is in here. All right. Oh, there's another blazer. Okay, look how fun this is, you guys. Look at this inside. It's got like cats and goldfish. Somebody needs this. What is this? Some of this stuff I have to look up. I have no idea what brand this is. I don't see a brand or a size. Oh, here's a brand. En Noir. Can you see this brand here? I don't know what that is. I guess we'll have to look it up, but this is super fun. It looks to be in good condition, so that's good. All right. Oh, look, there's some more blazers. So this actually is, it looks like a set. This and this obviously go together. They're like the same pattern. This brand is WSS. Oh, it's new with tags. And this tag, okay, somebody drop in the comments what language this is in. I don't know. What is this? You guys see? I don't know what this is. So this is going to require some research, which, by the way, that's another thing I love about these rescue boxes or these mystery boxes. I have no idea what this is. And if I saw this at a thrift store, I would not pick it up because I don't know what it is. But now that I have it, I'm going to look it up. And if it's something good, it might be something to look out for next time. So this is the matching vest that goes with, I don't know if you guys can see. I'll have to look that up. I'll keep you posted on that. All right, what else? Okay. So we've got some button-down shirts here. This is Covington. It's just a basic like button-up shirt. It's in good condition, but because of the brand, I don't know if I'll list it. Probably not. Maybe. I'll see. I'll see if comps are good on that. If not, I probably won't, just because it's not something worth having sitting around. This is Old Navy. This is a size large tall. So that's pretty nice, and this is new with tags. So, you guys see? All right. That I'll list. I do like listing Old Navy sometimes. If it's really current or if it's new with tags, I'll still list it. What's this? H&M. This is probably getting donated. I'm not not probably going to list this. It's nice. I mean, it's good quality, or I mean, it's good condition, but it's H&M, so. All right. This, you guys can see what I got going on here, is Levi's. So this is a black button down, a size extra large. Levi's, I have found jeans are much better sellers than their tops, but I'll still list this probably. You guys see coming out of here, this is an Express. This is like a, this is more of a dressy, like a, I don't know, business casual, or maybe even like dressier than that. It's a 1MX size small, 14 and a half. But I mean, again, really good condition. That's why I love these men boxes. Most of the stuff comes in resellable condition. Some of the rescue boxes, very hit or miss, but the men's stuff is usually good. Okay, so here's a winner. This is a Hugo Boss white polo, brand new with tags. I bet you this is the best thing in the box. We'll see. This is size large, and the MSRP $84.99. So that's exciting. I bet you that'll sell pretty quickly. Okay, here's a sweater. This is Talbot's Men. I don't typically find, I don't pick up Talbots in the store, in the thrift store usually, but this is brand new with tag. It is very pink. And now that I have it, I will definitely list it because Talbot's does sell. So that's awesome. This is a size large. This brand is Broletto. This is a new to me brand. I have no idea what this is. It is new with tags. Oh, it's from Nordstrom Rack, so that's good. It has a price of $29.97. I do see though that it has a one of the last chance stickers on it, so I'll have to see. But being that it's new with tags and it's from Nordstrom, I'll definitely put that up for sale. I haven't found anything yet, fingers crossed. I haven't found anything yet that I'm going to have to toss, like, because it's not in good condition. So, what else? More new with tags. This is Berkeley Jensen. This is cotton classic fit crew neck tee. So, I don't know where it's from, but we'll see. If not, I'll keep it for myself and wear it around the house. What else? Okay, this is a layer 8. This is like an athletic shirt, so I can feel that it's like that quick dry. Oh, it says quick dry right on it. Yeah, it's like an athletic layer 8 though. I'm not familiar with this brand. I'll have to look it up. It doesn't feel like it's that high end, so it's probably from Kohl's or something, but we'll see. It's in good condition. So we got this hat here. This is pretty sweet. This is a $59.50 New Era hat. I'm guessing this means it's new. I don't know. I know people walk around with this even though it's like the plastic tag. I don't know if they take this off. It doesn't look like it's been worn. This is MLB, so that's cool. I'll look up and see what this might be worth. All right. I've got an Eddie Bauer V-neck t-shirt. Okay. I don't know how much Eddie Bauer t-shirts are worth on their own, but we'll see. This is RBX. This is another athletic shirt. Looks to be in good condition, but I think this is a Target or JCPenney brand, so I might or might not list it. I don't know. There's usually a couple basic pieces in each one of these and then some nicer stuff. So it looks like we're getting into the basic stuff. I'm going to go through this kind of fast. This is a Club Room t-shirt. I don't know what this is, but it's probably not anything too exciting. Massimo, this is from Target, I know. Might keep this for myself for around the house or something, but I won't list it. Okay, here we go. This is a Columbia fleece. This is a quarter zip gray pullover fleece. It's in good condition. I mean, I can tell, you know, how fleece it gets when you wash it a few times. So, I mean, it's definitely not new, but it's in good condition. I don't see any company logos. You know, sometimes the Columbia jackets, people get embroidered with company logos, so I don't see that. So that's good. Not really in season right now, but that's okay. I would still put it up. Structure. This is a structure button down. This one has a little bit of stain, or I don't know if you guys can see. I'll show you over here. This one has a little bit of like a mark on it. I'm not sure how good you can see it, but it doesn't look like it's, I don't know, it might be a stain. This one I'm going to have to wash and see if I can make that wearable. If not, it's structure. I mean, I might have got $15 for it. We'll see. Okay, this is REI. Oh, very nice. This is an REI flannel button down. REI, Patagonia, Prana, any of the outdoor athletic wear is selling hot right now. So this I have a feeling I won't have for very long. This is exciting. And actually I like the color. Again, it's a fall color, but that's okay. All right. This is a Stafford wrinkle-free. This is a dress shirt. It says wrinkle-free, but it's kind of wrinkly. I don't know if Stafford's a good brand. I don't pick up men's dress shirts typically, so I will have to look and see what's up with this. American Eagle. You guys checking out? This is a lightweight button down, casual button down. Let's see. American Eagle stuff has date tags. So this is from 2012. So it is a little bit old. It's not quite vintage, but it's definitely not modern. So I'll probably still put it up because American Eagle sells well. It's kind of like Levi's. The jeans sell better than anything else, but whatever. I'll still put that up. This is a George buffalo plaid. So buffalo plaid is great for the fall. I think George is from, I don't know, one of the department stores, the lower end department stores, but this looks to be in great condition. So I probably would list this. This is Foxcroft. And this is a white dress shirt. Now, this brand I see a ton of at the thrift stores in men's and women's, and I don't ever pick it up because I don't know anything about it. And if I see it all the time, it probably is not like super high end or anything. But now that I have Foxcroft, I can look it up and see what that might be worth. All right, I can see the bottom, but we're not quite there yet. So this is an Express Performance Extra Slim. Okay, so this is a dress shirt, but it's like super stretchy. You guys want to see? Super stretchy. It's a beautiful color. Looks good to me. This is a Ralph Lauren classic fit striped button down. And again, I don't pick up a ton of Ralph Lauren like normally, but now that I have this, I will list it. It's a size large. All right, we're getting close to the end. Okay, this is another Stafford. This one is new with tags. Okay, so this answers my question about the other Stafford. This is from JCPenney. It's got tag on it, new with tags. And the price on it's $34. So not really super high end, but it's new with tags, so I will still list that. This is Nautica, size 2X, button down. I don't know too much about Nautica either, but I'll list it. It seems to be in good condition. All right, last couple. So we have some joggers here. If you can see, got this pile up going on behind me here. I don't see a size tag or a label, but they feel really nice. So what's going on here? Are these? Ah, that's cool. So these are going to require some research, but if you can see, they are Lululemon. So I have no idea what size they are or what the style is, but I will be, you know, they usually put, I don't know about men's, but the women's have like size dots in the pockets and stuff. So I'll have to check out and see, but Lululemon in a men's box is great. All right, and there's a pair of jeans in here. These are Dockers. Whoa, these are like grandpa jeans. They're like pleated. Okay. The pleated original khaki, size 42 by 30. They are MSRP $48, marked down to $29.99. Probably back from 1994. I don't know. I'll have to see if these are even like worth listing, because do guys wear jeans like that? I don't know. Okay, well, that's cool. So a couple more things in here. Number one, there's this tie. One thing I will tell you about the men's boxes, there's always ties, and I always list them, and they always sit around forever. But there's a tie. This tie is actually pretty cool because, here, let me show you this. This pattern is like footballs around the world. This is a footballs around the world tie. It's really, really tiny, but okay. This is the V Foundation for Cancer Research, and it is new with tag. Okay, this is interesting, and I'll have to figure out what to do with this. The last thing in here, there's 3 pairs of shoes. My guess, I know I said I'll check, but my guess is this box was by weight because they throw shoes in to make it heavier, I think. These are Calvin Klein's men's dress shoes. These are kind of nice. These are size 11. All right. Because I totally need more shoes around here. These are Echo leather loafers. Size 45. I don't even know what a size 45 is. I'll have to find out. And last but not least, I've got some Adidas Slides. And these are new with tag. No, I'm sorry, Under Armour, not Adidas. But they have a tag of $35 at regular price, so they're not very expensive, but that's okay. All right, so I added up everything in the box. It was a total of 35 items, and the box itself cost me $110. That was including shipping. So if I were to list every item in this box, it would come out to a cost of goods of $3.14 per item. So, is that good? I don't know. I think the real test is going to be, will this stuff actually sell, right? Because it's one thing to look and see what's in the box and go, oh, this is great, but does it actually sell? And how do you determine if a box is a good box? So my rule of thumb is this. If I can triple my money in 90 days, then it's a good box. So I don't know if this is a good box yet. So when I say triple my money, I'm talking, it was $110 to purchase. So if I make $330 off this box after all the fees and stuff in 90 days, then this is a good box. I have a little office. I don't have a ton of space. I do tend to start letting stuff go after it sits for a little while because eventually it costs me more in space to keep it sitting around. That's why I have a 90-day rule. That's what works for me. I know that's not everybody, but that's my rule of thumb for good box. So I will keep you guys updated. After 90 days of being listed, I will do another follow-up video so you guys can see what sold, how much it sold for, and how much did I truly make on this box after 90 days. So thank you very much for watching. Definitely subscribe if you want to see the updates, and you can also follow me on Instagram for more reseller content. I'm rbagnick on Instagram. Thanks. I'll see you guys soon.